Comment down correct answer before showing. 1. Which is the most innovative state as per the National Manufacturing Innovation Survey NMIS 2021-22? Option A West Bengal, Option B Karnataka, Option C Maharashtra, Option D Telangana. Correct answer B Karnataka. Notes the National Manufacturing Innovation Survey NMIS 2021-22 summary for policymakers was released recently. The survey was undertaken by the Department of Science and Technology, in collaboration with the United Nations Industrial Development Organization UNIDO. As per the survey, Karnataka is the most innovative state in manufacturing, followed by Telangana. Comment down correct answer before showing. 2. Voters Helpline App was introduced by the Election Commission for the seamless enrollment of the voters in which state? Option A Assam, Option B Karnataka, Option C Kerala, Option D Goa. Correct answer B Karnataka. Notes the Voters Helpline App has been recently introduced by the Election Commission for the seamless enrollment of the voters in Karnataka. It will help voters to enroll in the electoral rolls and assist them to locate their election booths during the election day. Comment down correct answer before showing. 3. When is the World Veterinary Day 2023 observed? Option A April 27th, Option B April 29th, Option C April 30th, Option D May 1st. Correct answer B April 29th. Notes the World Veterinary Day 2023 is observed on April 29th to recognize the important role of the veterinarians. It is observed on the final Saturday of April every year. The day commemorates the duties that the veterinarians perform for the society, and the responsibilities they are entrusted with. Comment down correct answer before showing. 4. What is the name of Indian Navy's third indigenous stealth destroyer of the Project 15B class? Option A INS Dhruv, Option B INS Imphal, Option C INS Katta Bomman, Option D INS Vikram. Correct answer B INS Imphal. Notes INS Imphal is the Indian Navy's third indigenous stealth destroyer of the Project 15B class. The vessel recently took the maiden sea sortie. INS Imphal is the third ship of the Visakhapatnam class stealth guided missile destroyer of the Indian Navy. It is being constructed at Majago Dock Limited MD. Comment down correct answer before showing. 5. Majority of gum arabic is sourced from Sahel region, which runs through which country? Option A Israel, Option B Sudan, Option C South Africa, Option D Ukraine. Correct answer B Sudan. Notes gum arabic is a key ingredient for fizzy drinks, candy and cosmetics. About 70% of the global supply of gum arabic is sourced from the acacia trees in Sahel region, which runs through Sudan. The conflict in Sudan has disrupted the supply of the crucial ingredient in soft drinks, chocolate bars, red wine and many other products.